In another tutorial, we talk a little bit more about the professional mode of the Facebook. Today, we're going to be doing something much more easier, which is getting started with a Facebook event. So the first thing I wanted to do is to have access directly into your Facebook. Inside here, I will be looking for the desktop and click into the element that says event on the left-hand menu that usually appears directly inside here. If you don't see that element, you don't have to worry about that. Usually what we do is to go directly into my home dashboard, and into the left section, I'm going to go for see more. Here, tap into the one that says events. Now that we are inside events, usually what we do is to hit into this huge button that says create new event. Inside here, it will be telling you who is going to be hosting this specific event. By default, it will be ourselves. So you're going to be doing this for somebody else. You must have an actual Facebook, the Facebook you want the other one to appear as an administrator. We can of course add an administrator later, but I'm going to be doing that later. So inside here, I'm going to go for the actual named event. Let's say, for example, a YouTube live event. You can choose which is going to be the specific start date. Let's say this Friday, and the start time will be at 5 p.m. The time zone I'm going to be leaving this as America, and you can add an end date and time if you wanted to. In this case, it will be an actual personal element from Facebook Live. So here, who can see it? In this case, I'm going to go for public. What are the details? Let's put something like welcome aboard. You are about to look for the first tutorial or live tutorial on Facebook. There we go. You can add now, as I just did, an actual co-host. You can choose who's going to be your actual co-host. Just click directly inside there and wait till the co-host enables and accepts your actual invitation. If you want this frequency, for example, that appears more than one time, you can go for daily, weekly, whatever, or customize it. In this case, I'm going to go for never because this is just a one-time event. And they can be in additional settings. For example, you can show the guest list. Only the host can post an event. Post must be approved by the actual host. And post and comments and text as potential spam will be heading for the actual review. In this case, I will be disable these two for security reasons and just enable these two of them. Now into my upper side, the last thing I wanted to do is to add an actual image of what I'm actually offering. Let's say, for example, that I have this image, like how I can solve. Usually what I do is to add just like a really easily thumbnail that we can use for the actual event so they can be understanding what we're going to be getting started with. Now, there we go. So usually what I do is to go for the element that says create my actual event. Now, we can set up your privacy, and we have now created the actual event. So from here, you can invite more stuff, more elements, invite people, and you're actually good to go. Let's say, for example, that I just add this for here, and I go for send invites. And here is my actual event added. So here's the actual date, here's the actual name, here's the setup live video, here is the boost event. You can go for the about, here's the actual discussion, here are the details, here's the promote the actual event, and you're actually good to go. I'm going to just dismiss this final events because I don't need to add this anymore. And there you go. As you can see, the actual process is not going to be that hard. We have now checked out how we can do this directly here into Facebook. So you can subscribe for more Facebook tutorials. Remember that the mobile application sometimes show a simplified version for this form. If you need a whole host setting or ticketing, it's finishing setup on the desktop, but that's totally optional. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. We have some more great tools like this. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully we can see you well next time.